How to close Quontic bank account. Begin by reaching out to Quontic Bank's customer support. You can usually find their customer service contact information on their official website, account statements, or by visiting a local branch if available. When you contact their customer support, explain that you want to close your account. You may be asked for the reason you want to close it, but you are not obligated to provide one. Be sure to get the representative's name and note the date and time of your call for reference. The representative will guide you through the process. They may ask you to send a written request to close the account. This request should include your account details, such as the account number and any joint account holder's information. Make sure to include your contact information in the letter. Ensure that your account balance is at zero or has a positive balance to cover any pending charges or fees. If your account has a negative balance, you'll need to pay the amount to bring it to zero. If you have any automatic payments or direct deposits linked to your Quontic bank account, make sure to cancel them. This will prevent any unexpected transactions. You may be asked to return any Quontic bank debit cards or unused checks associated with the account. Follow their instructions for returning these items. After you've followed all the necessary steps, confirm with Quontic Bank that your account has been successfully closed. Keep a record of this confirmation for your records. Continue monitoring your account for any unexpected charges or fees for a few weeks after closure to ensure that everything has been processed correctly. That's how you can close Quontic bank account.